Do you often experience pain, numbness, fatigue, or cramps in your legs? It could be due to poor blood flow in your legs, poor circulation in ankles, feet, and legs can cause varicoses, edema, and venous diseases. But don't worry, because you can solve this issue by eating some yummy foods. Yep, some healthy foods can aid in revamping blood circulation, prevent the health issues associated with poor blood circulation in the legs, and even enhance your performance if you're an athletic person. So are you ready to know more about these superfoods? Let's dive deep in today's video. We will share with you the 12 healthiest foods that improve blood circulation in legs that nobody will tell you. Stay tuned to find out more. Number 1, figs. Figs are an excellent source of dietary fiber and potassium, which can help to improve blood flow by reducing blood pressure and increasing blood vessel elasticity. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with circulatory issues or those who are at risk of developing them. They contain a range of antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, and ascorbic acid, which can help to protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the blood vessels. This can help to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of circulatory problems. Not only that, they are a good source of vitamin B6 and magnesium, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and improving blood circulation. Vitamin B6 helps to regulate homocysteine levels in the blood, which can contribute to circulatory problems if elevated, while magnesium helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Hence, a diet rich in fiber, like that found in figs, can help to improve blood circulation by reducing inflammation and improving blood vessel function. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions such as peripheral artery disease or Raynaud's disease. Number 2, black and green tea. A cup or two of black and green tea helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases because of their blood pressure lowering effects. Tea is a rich source of catechins, a type of polyphenol that exerts vascular protective characteristics. A research scientist in nutrition, Christopher Ochner, PhD, quoted, "Green tea is the healthiest thing I can think of to drink." A review of many studies showed that green tea helped to fend off a range of heart-related issues and directly helped increase blood flow in the legs. There is also a decreased blood flow resistance from the blood vessel walls due to the nitric oxide formation, which widens blood vessels. Catechin helps with blood vessel relaxation. More foods containing catechins include strawberries, apples, and cherries. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3, garlic. L-arginine is an amino acid that is essential for the formation of nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax. Research suggests that taking L-arginine orally or intravenously, or even taking garlic tablets for up to 7 weeks, increases blood flow in people with leg pain associated with poor blood circulation, specifically peripheral arterial disease. Garlic also prevents the accumulation of lipids. If consuming garlic is difficult, other great sources of L-arginine include red meat, fish, and eggs. To use L-arginine therapeutically, take it 3 times a day, once in the morning and once before and after working out. Number 4, potassium-rich foods. Potassium is necessary for muscle contraction, neurotransmission of ions and minerals between muscles and nerves, and overall muscular function. Since muscles are throughout your body, a diet low in potassium can contribute to pain or tingling. Potassium helps your kidneys remove extra sodium from your body, helps your blood vessels relax, and enables smooth blood flow. Potassium is highly beneficial for a healthy circulatory system, a network of blood vessels that carry blood away from and towards the heart because it helps to lower blood pressure. A study by the National Library of Medicine indicates that potassium-containing foods can control blood pressure in around 4 weeks. Potassium-rich foods include potatoes, bananas, broccoli, tomatoes, beans, and legumes. Number 7, grapes. Deep purple grapes are also full of polyphenols, which are potent antioxidants that modulate LDL, the bad cholesterol, preventing clotting in blood vessels. Grapes also consist of compounds that decrease inflammation and make blood less sticky, limiting blood clots. In a 2009 study by the Journal of Nutrition, the data strongly supported that a diet rich in grapes drastically reduced the risk of circulatory issues. Polyphenols in grapes help promote blood flow in legs and other organs, contributing to open, healthy blood vessels. Number 8, vitamin C. Fatigue, leg cramping, and pain can lead to blood vessel abnormalities in the legs. Vitamin C has excellent effects on blood vessels through its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A 2015 study by the Medical Science Monitor investigated the impact of antioxidants derived from vitamin C. It shows that vitamin C antioxidants prevented the decline of arteries' flow, mediated dilation. The final results suggested that a deficiency of antioxidants may contribute to the impairment and endothelial function during sitting. Furthermore, researchers found that vitamin C levels were 2 times lower in peripheral arterial disease PAD patients than in healthy people. You can find vitamin C in many foods such as kiwi, lemons, tomatoes, and oranges. Number 9. Ginger. Ginger not only gives flavors to your meal, but can also provide you with numerous health benefits. It lowers the blood pressure and helps to soothe and relax the muscles surrounding the blood vessels. When pressure on your veins is less, it allows for more effortless blood flow. Moreover, ginger also exhibits blood thinning potential. Thinner blood makes it easier for your heart to pump it, hence it can improve the circulation of blood within your veins. Additionally, ginger also helps with reducing nausea and vomiting, which can be due to a lack of blood supply to the extremities. Number 10. Fish. Fish is renowned for its benefit to the vascular system. It contains healthy fatty acids in vast amounts. Omega-3 being the prime one, it shows antioxidant effects by preventing oxidative damage to the blood vessels and heart. It also helps blood vessel muscle cells relax, increasing blood flow and reduced blood pressure. Eating fish also keeps your arteries clear and unclogged. Top omega-3 containing fish are salmon, mackerel, sardines, sable fish, and tuna. The estimated recommended daily intake of omega-3 is 1,000 milligrams. Number 11. Green leafy vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in nitrates. Your body converts it to nitric oxide, a potent vasodilator consuming nitrate. Rich foods helps to improve circulation by dilating blood vessels, allowing a steady blood flow. Furthermore, the nitrates present may also thin the blood to aid oxygen circulation more efficiently around the body. You can include some yummy greens in your diet by baking them or roasting and adding them to salads, smoothies, soups, and stews. Number 12. Nuts and walnuts. Eating nuts, particularly walnuts, benefit both your heart and blood vessels. The crinkly skinned nuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps smooth blood flow. Number 13. Vitamin D sources. Vitamin D supports the vascular system by keeping arteries healthy and maintaining a smooth blood flow. It has anti-inflammatory effects which prevent blood vessels and the heart from oxidative damage caused by metabolic processes and environmental pollutants. Fish milk and eggs contain some vitamin D. But the primary source is sunlight. The recommended daily amount of vitamin D in adults are 400 IU. Sufficient amounts in the body ensure better blood circulation to the legs. You can incorporate all the delicious foods into your daily meals in many ways. They will benefit your body by providing antioxidants, vitamins, nitrates, and other valuable substances combined with a healthy lifestyle. These foods are sure to impact your circulation positively. Will you start eating these foods after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy. Until next time, take care and adios.